Good morning, Sarah. How are you?
Good morning.
I hate to barge in on you, but something very important. I want to show you how I do YouTube, because I know you're starting to get to do it. And let's see what I do. Oh, jeez. Any virus in here? I usually set up my cameras on a tripod, and it's really simple. And the reason I do this is so that I can have two angles, because I'm going to use two cameras. And gone are the days when you need a big camera. Today you use your cell phone and a GoPro, and before you know it, you got something really professional. Matter of fact, I even videotape weddings with a GoPro, but just, you know, for some parts. But I have to move around fast. Now everybody has a cell phone, so the cell phone is the first thing I recommend. And I used that for a few years. Then I got a little smarter, and I got the latest GoPro, which is the GoPro 9. And it's got so many features. But I always do everything with two angles, so it looks more like a movie, because what I was told by a very wise guy when I climbed the Himalayas, and he told me that life is like a movie and then it ends. The 9 is very convenient. You just pull out the little feet and you stick it in there. And I noticed that I don't have my media mod on today, and the media mod is a nice, beautiful microphone that attaches to it, wraps around the GoPro, but I could use the on-camera mic. I always carry a card in the battery, so I know I got it in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's see, am I on video? Yep, now I'm on video. You hear that beep? That tells me I'm live. Look at that. And who's this? It's Sara. Look at Sara. The cell phone is also very important. Now, look at that. Now we got two angles to edit. And if I'm lucky, Sara will give me her footage, and we'll have three angles to edit. This is a stand I use. Yeah, so there's a lot of devices I could use to get better sound, and this is one of them. This is also a gimbal for the cell phone. I put it up there, and then I got the microphone. This one has a rat cover on it, and it's very successful.
That's great.
The other thing for my GoPro is I have the media mod, but I left that home. But that fits right over the GoPro, and it has an external mic and some other features that are very valuable. So, you know, little by little, after you start making money from GoPro, you know, $1 million a month, etc., you can start buying this equipment.
Thanks, Flint.
You're welcome.